Welcome to Jianglin Stainless Steel, a leading manufacturer dedicated to delivering high-quality stainless steel products worldwide. With over 15 years of industry experience, Jianglin has grown into a medium-sized enterprise, equipped with state-of-the-art production facilities and advanced technology. Our factory covers over 35,000 square meters, with multiple production lines and advanced processing centers to meet diverse market demands. We produce more than 50,000 tons annually, exporting to over 60 countries worldwide. We specialize in a wide range of stainless steel products, including welded pipes, seamless pipes, capillary tubes, stainless steel sheets, bars, and strips. All our products meet strict quality standards and are certified by ISO 9001, SGS, and TÜV, ensuring durability, precision, and excellent corrosion resistance. Whether for construction, automotive, chemical, or electronics industries, Jianglin is your trusted partner for premium stainless steel products. Choose Jianglin, your reliable source for precision, quality, and stainless steel expertise.